We're going to replace the starter cord on this Tecumseh engine. This happens to be a Yardman tiller. And so far, we've taken off the air filter because it overlapped the front of the face here. And we've taken the two 7/16 bolts off the front so we could pop the gas tank out. It's a 3/8. Didn't seem like they're afraid to use bolts on this thing. It seemed like would have made this job a lot easier if these pop rivets had bolts in it instead of pop rivets. Now, we got linkage on here we got to take off. Now, we got a kill wire on here. I got to put on too. There. Now we can finally get to work with the cord. We'll clean this up a little bit too. The dirt dauber's been in here. We're going to check this to make sure the dogs work. See, the dogs are out. The spring's got tension, and I'm going to let it go so you can see it retrieve. So that part's working. So what we're going to do is run the rope to that hole, but before we do that, we've got to line up the hole going in. If you look here, that's the hole the rope's got to go through. Right there. Can you see it? Alright. So what we're going to do is we're going to wind this up all the way and then we're going to block it with a screwdriver. Okay, line the hole up. I've wound the spring to the max. Now we're going to need to back it off to line the hole up with this, with the entrance here. Got it lined up. Now we need to stick something in there that'll hold it in place. I'm going to use that screwdriver. The hole is lined up with a port. That's what we need to do. Need to tie a knot in one end. Let's see how we're going to get this run through. I made a little retrieval hook out of a piece of wire. That's what I recommend here, so we can't retrieve this through the hole and get it pulled in like it's supposed to. I mean, it's right there, so if I can just get it and pull it through there. now if I can get it through. Okay, we got that bit done. We need to tie a knot in this before we lose it. Most people recommend a double knot here.
It's pretty big.
This is pretty big. I don't think we're going to need that. I'm going to cut this off. I'm going to pull this through till it's taut. We're going to hang on to it. We're going to let our screwdriver go and we're going to let it feed in. Hope you can see that. It's just feeding in by itself. Hang on to the end so make sure we don't. Okay, we're going to put the screwdriver back in so we can finish this operation. You need to run it through the new handle. And then the new handle's got a place for the rope to go in here and then tie a knot. So run it through here again. Is it seeing it? And tie a knot. Pull the knot in. We'll tuck the access in for now. Not going to matter one way or the other. We're going to pull this up. Pull a screwdriver out and we should be all set to put it back together. Now, it looks good. Let's turn it around and see if it works properly. The dogs come out, they do, and it retrieves. Dogs come out, and it retrieves. We're ready to put it back together. We've got it all set. Now we're just going to put it back together in reverse order.